You guys are not ready for this. Today is the first video of 3 that I have planned out. There are gonna be a series of unboxing haul type of videos with 3 different brands that only sell cheap makeup. I mean, makeup that costs $1, $3, nothing costs more than $10. And if you want to keep watching, stay. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing from one company that only sells very cheap makeup. I intend to do this series as a first video. It's gonna be a haul unboxing. I'm gonna show you everything that I got, and then I'm gonna do a separate video that I'm gonna try to do a full face with everything that I got and make it look good. I do have some experience with one of the companies that is not from this video, it's from another one, and I know that there's some things that are like holy grails from another company. You're gonna see when I do the other video that are very, very good, but then there's some things that are complete misses. So without further ado, this is gonna be the first one. I already opened it. It's gonna be from Cherrie. It's called Cherrie.com. I just want to let you know a few details. I ordered Wednesday the 22nd. I got the shipment confirmation Thursday the 23rd. So the next day I got the shipment confirmation. And then Saturday I got the box. So it was fairly quick. I know it comes from Texas. Yep. Let me show you right here. It comes from Texas. And I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 pieces, and I spent $49.89, so 50 bucks I spent for 13 things. So let's see what we got. Let's start with, oh, they put a little sticker. That's cute. Okay, so first off, I see that they put in a free gift, and they put it up like this. And let me take this off. This is from Amuse. I've seen this brand before, but I've never tried anything from it. So we're gonna see, and this I did not buy. This they included with the purchase that I made. It doesn't have a name, but it's a matte color. It's like a cranberry muted. It's pretty. I don't know how good it is, but we're gonna see. Then I got a bronzer. This is also from Amuse. Let me see if you can see it now. There you go. The bronzer, and it's supposed to be like little pebbles. Let me see if I can open it. There we go. Okay, so it's supposed to be like little pebbles, and you would swirl your, ooh, I would do that. Yes, I would do that. Let's go ahead and move on. If not, I'm gonna finish. This doesn't close. Oh, mira, it doesn't close. So you have to be very careful with that. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes. I think this were $5.99 if I'm not mistaken. Let me look and see. So the lipstick was free. The bronzer was $1.99. The eyeshadows that I'm gonna show you, I got 2, and they were each $5.99. So they weren't super cheap, but you're not gonna spend a pretty penny on them. The first one is gonna be this one. It's by Beauty Glaze Mars. And then these are the colors. Let me see if I can swatch some for you. Let me do this one. This one. This one. Let's do the matte one. And let's do this one. They don't look bad at all. Okay. And I had not swatched them before. Okay. Esto promete. I think this is gonna be good. I'm just gonna clean my hands right here. The only thing that I'm scared about those is that they're red pigments and they may stain, but that's normal with those kinds of colors. And then the second one I got was this one, Uranus, also by Beauty Glaze. I think they had like Jupiter, Saturn, different colors, but I just was drawn to the red ones and the green ones. And then this one is gonna be like this, and I have not swatched it. You can see that it has the little package still. And let's do again the center colors. Let's do this one. And they're very soft. They really are. Let's do this one. That color and that color, and even, oh, I love those. Okay, I think we have a winner. I don't want to call it out. So what I was saying, so I'm gonna do this haul, and then I'm gonna go ahead and film. The next video is gonna be me trying to do a full face out of everything that I got in this box, so stay tuned for that. This one, I don't know why I opened it. This one is a loose powder, and it's by She. It's gonna be the banana powder. I touched it because I couldn't open it, and I was like, nope, I need to open it. And it felt very silky, very smooth. Not sure. We're gonna see how it goes. So we're gonna put it to the side. I got a setting spray. I didn't smell it, so I wanna smell it. Yeah, it smells really good. This is from Beauty Creations also, and it's a cucumber setting spray. There you go. And this smells super good, so I'm excited for that. I got a pair of Fox Mink eyelashes, multi-layer lashes, and this is from Amor Us. And this, they look good. They don't look bad. And I don't know if I can show you. Let me see if I can show you this way. See? They have those little hairs. They look really good. We're gonna see how they go. I'm still at a loss of words. That's a good thing. So I got, oh, I think this was me. When I put it in, when I first opened it, because it's, see? But I'm pretty sure that was me. Disregard that. That was me. I got this matte lipstick. The brand is Santi. And it doesn't have a name either. But it's just like that. Just wanted a nude lip that can be worn with anything. And then I got a brush. Just because I think, oh, let's go back. The eyelashes were $1.99. Where is it at? The setting spray was $4.99. And then that's it. We're gonna keep going. Oh, the powder. The banana powder was $2.99. And then this is from Amor Us also, like the eyelashes. And they are, this was $2.99. It didn't feel that soft. We're gonna see if it works. That's why I wanted to get a little bit of everything to see how everything works. And then I got a liquid eyeliner, and this is black. I saw on the website that it had good reviews, so that's why I got this one. I was torn between this one and another one from the same brand. This is gonna be from Amuse. And I was torn between those, but this one had better reviews, so that's why I got it. And this is not gonna be a felt tip. This is gonna be, something's wrong with the tip though. I may not be able to use this. Can you see that? I don't know. It's not a felt tip, it's a brush tip. So maybe it's that, maybe if I clean it out, I don't know. We'll work with it. And then, we're almost done. And then I got, let me do this first. I got a foundation from Amuse also. And it looks like this. This way, there you go. And I think it's gonna be a good match. It is a pump, and I wanted to smell it. I think it smells, I don't know if y'all have used before. It has like a very light smell, nothing too harsh, but it smells like the Maha powder. I think it smells like that, but not that harsh. The Maha powder has a lot more stronger scent. This one doesn't. And then I got the same brand. I got a lot of things from Amuse, so I'm thinking about it. I got the concealer from the same brand, right here. And I'm not sure if it's a good concealer. It's just a normal Dofa, and that's it. We're gonna see how everything flows through. And then I have two more things. I got a blush palette, and this is from Beauty Creations. I got a lot of things from Beauty Creations and a lot of things from Amuse, so we shall see. And then I got this blush powder, not blush powder, blush palette, and it's this right here, and they look really good. And if I can't use them as blushes, I'm sure I can use them as eyeshadows, so it's a win-win for me. And this one was, where is it? Here it is. This one was $6.99. So we shall play with that. And then the last thing I got was a highlighter palette that was $3.49. And I had touched them. I don't know if they're gonna work. We're gonna try to make it work. If I can get this open, there you go. And this is from Clean Color. I have a few, I think I have a few nail polishes from this brand, if I'm not mistaken. I have seen things from the brand, but I've never, okay, I didn't break it. I didn't break it, it's all good. From this brand, but I've never gotten anything. And this is the blush palette. I really like the range of colors. There's a lot. This one actually is a very warm peach. Let me see. Oh, that looks really nice. Which I don't know if it's gonna be, there you go. Let me swatch this one and this one. And let's do this one. They're a little powdery, I'm not gonna lie. The colors though, I really like. If I can make this work, we might have a winner. But they're really, really powdery. And when I do this, well, yeah, you're able to see it. But I had to like press hard in order to make them work. And they're still impregnated in my fingers, so I'm not sure about that. But we're gonna see. So that's everything I got from shopcherrie.com. Next video that I make is gonna be me trying to make all this work into a full face. And if I don't have anything, like I didn't get anything for my brows, that's the only thing that comes to mind right now that I'm gonna need that I did not get. But I'll figure something out. We'll make it through together. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, which I'm sure is gonna bring us some laughs. We're gonna get frustrated but we are gonna do this, okay? So thank you guys so much. Comment, like, share with your friends. We're here to have fun and learn about makeup and get new makeup and make it work. So I'll see you guys later.